Welcome to the Rowntree Society's interactive timeline. If you haven't heard of us before, we are a registered educational charity based in York. Our mission is to build and share the knowledge about the histories of the Rowntree family, company, trusts, and their continuing relevance for the local, national, and global challenges facing our world today. This is where our new timeline comes in, which has been designed to help you navigate through the pivotal moments that have shaped the Rowntree story. From their groundbreaking products to their philanthropic endeavours, this timeline will continuously be evolving, and new information will always be added through feedback and/or upcoming research projects. The timeline is super easy to use and it's packed with fascinating content. To start exploring, you can simply scroll through the timeline to view key events and milestones in Rowntree's history. Each entry is represented by an image or an icon. You can just click on any of these to expand them if you would like to have a bigger and clearer view of the picture. If you are looking for something specific, you can use the search box at the top to bring up any events, people, or products related to your keyword. Just type in a word and the timeline will instantly highlight everything connected to it. You can also filter the timeline by category. So let's say you're interested in the Rowntree products. You can simply select products from the category list and the timeline will focus on all of the entries related to the iconic products Rowntree has introduced over the years. Or perhaps you're curious about the Rowntree family's philanthropic efforts, for example. By selecting philanthropy, you'll see all of the different initiatives the family has been involved in, such as their contributions to social reform and community building. So go ahead, give it a try and discover the remarkable history of the Rowntree family through our timeline. If you'd like to contact us about anything at all, we would love to hear from you. Simply scan the QR code to visit our website, and here you can sign up to our newsletter for exclusive information about our projects before anyone else hears about them. You can also follow us on social media for the latest updates, or you can email us directly at info@rowntreesociety.org.uk. Thank you so much for watching this, and we really hope that you find the timeline useful.